today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to launch the Startup Prepare utility on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu, select the power icon, and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard and select restart. You can do the same function if you're able to get to the lock screen. And if you're unable to boot into Windows, you could just do a hard power off 3 times in a row, meaning just turn on your computer, and then holding down the power key, you can turn off your device. That's a little harder on your hardware, so I'd recommend doing it the way I just demonstrated if you're able to. Underneath Choose an Option, select Troubleshoot, and then select Advanced Options. Select the Startup Prepare, fix prompt to keep Windows from loading. It could take 15 minutes or longer to run, and then hopefully that would be pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.